Welcome to our channel. Today we are installing CP1623 in IPC or local computer. Open IPC cover. Now open the slot. This is our CP card CP1623. Insert CP card in slot. Now tighten the screw. Look, the CP card is installed in IPC. Then close the cover. Now move to the software part. Look the PC device manager. The card is showing here but driver is not available. And also going to Ethernet section. Look, there is no CP1623 port due to driver unavailability. So we need to download the SIMATIC CD as per your TI portal version. I am using V20. Then we need to download SIMATIC V20. I am already download. We need to download same version of which we use in TI portal. Then go to D drive. Then software. I'm already downloaded this DVD. So I start installation. Close it. Open it. Start. Install software. Wait for the moment. Now next going with default. Then ticket. Now installation is started. Wait for some moment. Now SIMATIC net installation is start. Look, we have a 3 Ethernet adapter. Before installing, I'm pausing the video for some time. Look, the CP card adapter is showing in computer. In network connection and device manager also. If CP card adapter is showing but it is disabled, then you need to restart your PC after installation. So wait for document installation. The document installation is started. Click on next. Then finish it. Then restart your PC. After restart, open network connection. It's showing. Also check the device manager. Go to network. Look, CP card is showing here. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe for more videos.